Imagine yourself in this 2014 Chevrolet Cruze LTZ. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 1 SJ, RS package, 6-speaker audio system feature, 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, radio data system, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.